Hi there and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I will be showing you how to cast on using the knitting cast on method. Alright, let's look at the material that we are going to be using in this tutorial. We are going to be using a double knit yarn and 5.0 millimeter needles. The first thing that we are going to do, we are going to create a slip knot. This is how I create my slip knot. You can pause and rewind the video so you can see how exactly I am doing it. Then after creating the slip knot, you are going to insert your right needle into the front loop of the left needle as if to knit. Then wrap the yarn clockwise and pull that loop up and take your left needle, go underneath the front loop from the right needle and slip it through your left needle, drop it off and pull your working yarn a bit. So we are going to continue doing the same thing until you reach your desired number of stitches. Here's our casted stitches. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video, and also hit the notification button so you can stay alert for my next videos. Till next time, bye.